So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add filters to an image here on Fotor. So first thing you gotta do is open up Fotor and then add a image. So I'm gonna go to Photos here. And how about an image right here of these two people working out on it looks like a bridge of some sort. Anyways, if you wanted to add our filter, it's very straightforward. Press on the photo right here. Go to the top left to where it says filters and make sure that filters is selected. You can go ahead here and try out a bunch of different filters. So you can go ahead and maybe make a black and white if you want. You can make it chromatic. You can also change the intensity. So whatever you guys want to do in regards to the filters, you can go ahead and kind of play around with it this way. If it looks good, you can sort of look back and see your photo with that filter added on. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add filters to images here on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.